Hi guys and welcome back to Metabox tutorial. Today we are going to discover how to create a recipe with Metabox plugin. In this tutorial, I will use these tools. Metabox is a must-have plugin. It gives you a framework to create custom fields and custom post types. MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomies is a free extension of Metabox to create custom post type and custom taxonomies easily. But in this tutorial, we just need to create custom post type. It can run independently without Metabox plugin. Metabox Builder is a premium extension of Metabox. I installed it to have a UI to show you how I create the fields. eStart theme is one of our own themes. It's free and has many hooks, so you should try it. First of all, we need to create a new custom post type. I made the recipe post type with the following information. Then, you need to create new custom fields for this post type. Click Add Field, select the needed field type, and enter the name of the field. After having all the fields, move to Settings and choose the post type as Recipe. Next, create a post in the recently created post type and write some content for your recipe. But it still hasn't been displayed on the front end yet, so we need to get the custom fields values and display them. You have two ways to display the custom fields value. The first one is using MB views without touching the theme file, and the second one is putting some code to the functions file. Add this code and choose different positions by adding rules here. I selected Recipe to display the field's value. In this second way, add this code to the themes file. Remember that whichever method you choose, you must use the right IDs of your field. Back to the post, you will see the values on the front end. It looks not so nice, so we need to add some CSS to make it look better. And here it is, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Bye!